Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, welcome to today's Practical Hakka.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭，
我是 Emily，
我是杜华。
Yes, and all month long we're talking about public transportation. 我们本月教大家的是大众运输的客家用语。这一次呢，我们要教大家怎么坐高铁 ，taking the high-speed rail. How do you say that in Hakka?
坐高铁，
坐高铁，
坐高铁。
That's taking the high-speed rail. Now, I want to buy a ticket to Tainan. 我要买往台南的车票，怎么说？
我愛買
去台南機
查票我愛買去台南機查票
Ooh, that's a lot.
I would like you for this one.
我愛買去台南機查票
好，接着海陸腔的車票
Okay.
查票
See, that was simple. That's the Hailu dialect, how to say ticket. All right. Now, how many tickets do you need? They're going to ask you that. 要幾張票
愛幾多種
Okay, that was simple enough, thankfully. How about if they say, one ticket, 一張
一種
Two tickets, 兩張
六種
Okay, and all the time they ask you this, 要指定席還是自由席? Do you want reserved or non-reserved seats?
愛自聽席
愛自聽席也是自由席
愛自聽席也是自由席
愛氣嘛，愛氣。
愛自聽席
愛自聽席
也是
自由席。
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to do it all together now. No, you do not get out of this. Let's have it from the top.
All right, 1, 2, 3. 愛自聽席也是自由席 Yay! And that does it for today's Practical Hakka. I am so tired.
Hey, do I get a dog biscuit?
No.
什麼太假
暗自 say 張來了
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.